Welcome to Taiwan, a travel gem that blends ancient traditions with modern charm. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, bustling night markets, and warm hospitality, Taiwan is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a foodie, or a culture lover, Taiwan offers diverse attractions that cater to every type of tourist. Let us guide you through the 8 best places to visit in Taiwan. Destinations that promise to captivate your heart and inspire your wanderlust. One. No trip to Taiwan is complete without visiting Taipei 101, a marvel of modern engineering and one of the tallest skyscrapers in the world. Beyond its architectural beauty, the tower offers a breathtaking observation deck with panoramic views of Taipei's skyline. At night, the city lights create a magical spectacle, perfect for romantic moments or stunning photographs. After admiring the views, explore the surrounding Xinyi district, known for luxury shopping, lively nightlife, and incredible food. The area also hosts cultural events and festivals, making it a dynamic part of Taipei's urban life. Don't miss nearby Elephant Mountain for a hiking adventure that rewards you with the most Instagram-worthy shots of Taipei 101, framed by the lush greenery of Taiwan's natural landscapes. 2. A paradise for nature lovers, Taroko Gorge is a stunning canyon of marble cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush greenery. Located in Hualien County, this national park is ideal for hiking and exploring iconic spots like the Eternal Spring Shrine and Swallow Grotto. The Liwu River flowing through the gorge adds to the area's natural beauty, creating serene spots for photography or quiet reflection. Beyond its natural splendor, the park is rich in cultural history, with Aboriginal influences evident in its trails and landmarks. Whether you're an avid trekker or a casual visitor, Taroko Gorge offers an immersive escape into Taiwan's wild side, where every turn reveals a new breathtaking vista or hidden treasure. 3. Sun Moon Lake, nestled in the heart of Taiwan, is a serene escape surrounded by mountains. Its tranquil waters reflect the sky, creating an almost surreal landscape. Take a boat ride to explore Lalu Island, the lake's mystical centerpiece, or visit nearby villages for a glimpse of indigenous culture, including traditional crafts and performances. Bike around the scenic trails, stopping at picturesque spots for unforgettable photos. The Wenwu Temple, with its intricate architecture and commanding views of the lake, offers a spiritual touch to your journey. This romantic destination is perfect for couples and anyone seeking tranquility amid nature. The annual Sun Moon Lake Swimming Carnival also attracts visitors from around the world, adding an energetic vibe to this otherwise peaceful retreat. 4. Step back in time at Jufen, a quaint mountain town famous for its charming streets, traditional tea houses, and nostalgic vibes. Known as the inspiration for Studio Ghibli's Spirited Away, Jufen enchants tourists with its lantern-lit pathways and delicious local snacks, like taro balls and stinky tofu. Each alley is filled with unique shops offering handmade goods, perfect for souvenirs. As you wander through the town, you'll discover pockets of history, from its days as a gold mining hub to its current status as a cultural icon. The mesmerizing views of the coastline, especially at sunset, create a magical atmosphere that leaves visitors spellbound. Whether you're a fan of history, culture, or cinematic charm, Jufen has something special for everyone. 5. Alishan is a dreamland for those who love misty mountain landscapes and enchanting sunrises. Famous for its picturesque tea plantations and ancient cypress trees, Alishan is also home to a scenic railway that takes you through lush forests, offering views that seem straight out of a postcard. The region is particularly captivating during cherry blossom season when the hills are painted in delicate pink hues. Wake up early to witness the sunrise over Yushan, also known as Jade Mountain, a spectacle that will leave you breathless and make your trip unforgettable. As you explore, you'll encounter friendly locals who are eager to share stories of their traditions and the unique beauty of this highland haven. 6. Kaohsiung, Taiwan's southern gem, is home to the Lotus Pond, a serene lake surrounded by vibrant temples and pagodas. The Dragon and Tiger pagodas are must-visit landmarks, where entering through the dragon's mouth and exiting through the tiger's symbolizes turning bad luck into good fortune. Each temple around the pond offers a unique perspective on Taiwan's spiritual and artistic heritage, making this a rich cultural experience. Beyond the pond, Kaohsiung is a city of surprises, featuring an eclectic mix of art, culture, and waterfront vibes. Visit the Pier 2 Art Center for a creative take on the city's modern side, or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the Love River for a romantic end to your day. Seven. If you're seeking sun and surf, Kenting National Park is the place to be. Located on Taiwan's southern tip, it boasts pristine beaches, coral reefs, and lush tropical forests. Enjoy water sports like snorkeling, diving, or paddleboarding, or simply relax on the sandy shores of Baisha Beach. The park also offers stunning coastal cliffs and rock formations, perfect for nature photography or quiet reflection. Kenting's lively night markets and the iconic Eluanbi Lighthouse, which marks Taiwan's southernmost point, add to its charm as a versatile travel destination. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a laid-back traveler, Kenting has something for everyone. 8. Tainan, the oldest city in Taiwan, is a treasure trove of cultural heritage and culinary delights. Visit historic sites like the Chikan Tower and Confucius Temple to dive into Taiwan's rich history. The city's numerous fortresses and old streets offer a glimpse into its past as a key trading hub. As Taiwan's food capital, Tainan is renowned for local delicacies such as danzai noodles and milkfish soup. Night markets here buzz with life, offering an array of unique street foods that tantalize every palate. This city seamlessly combines old-world charm with modern vibrancy, making it a must-visit for those seeking an authentic Taiwanese experience. From towering skyscrapers to tranquil lakes, vibrant streets to serene temples, Taiwan offers an array of experiences that will make your trip extraordinary. Each destination has its unique charm and story, inviting you to explore and create unforgettable memories. So why wait? Taiwan is calling! Book your flights, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in one of Asia's most captivating tourist destinations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspirations. Happy travels!